This really quick video because Snowflake have just released into public preview their VS Code extension. So until now, the main way to interact with your data on Snowflake, if you just want to write some queries, is through their Snowsight UI, their new user interface. There have been extensions for VS Code in the past, but they've always been third-party ones, and for me at least, my experience with them has been hit and miss. But today, Snowflake have released their own extension, and I'm super excited about it. So to get the extension, simply head to your extensions tab, find Snowflake, make sure it's the one by Snowflake themselves, and install that extension. You'll then be prompted to sign into your account, and you can sign into multiple accounts with this extension, and you'll be immediately shown your kind of database structure, your schema structure. And then you can really write any queries and work with it like anything else in Snowflake and anything else in the VS Code. You do get your IntelliSense as well. So I'm going to be writing a quick query against having this table here. You can see as I browse, it's kind of finding that table I'm using, and it's showing me the kind of object information as well. I'm going to just do this as a demonstration. And for me, Command Enter and to execute that query, and I immediately see the results. It's also going to keep your query history down here, which you can then reference back again. Now the great thing for me is this is where I'm already comfortable working in this environment. We're using dbt for a lot of our work. So again, I'm already in VS Code, and sometimes I just want to quickly step away from dbt, run a query against Snowflake without having to head off to the UI. So this is going to be fantastic. And further, it also means that you can now source control your query files if that's something you're looking to do. It's how we currently work, because it allows us to, as I say, source control our files, but also work across teams a little bit more easily when we're sharing some of our code. And although you can share queries within Snowflake, within Snowsight, I don't find it great. You've got to explicitly share it with someone instead of kind of creating these groups. Whereas now you can read the standard SQL files off your system, which you can then commit to a GitHub repo. So we're really excited about what we can do with this new extension and look forward to testing out further.